PG Permaglass Wonder Clay is available in 3 different grades. Wash car thoroughly before applying PG Wonder Clay. Knead, pull, and flatten the PG Wonder Clay before use. Spray clean water or clay lubricant on the surface. Glide the PG Wonder Clay with a left-right or up-down direction. Run your fingertips to feel the bumps and roughness disappear. Fold and knead the PG Wonder Clay to a new surface when dirty. Repeat until the surface contaminants disappear and the surface feels as smooth as glass. The PG Wonder Clay can also be used on other parts of the car, such as headlamps, windscreen, and rims. The PG Wonder Clay removes these contaminants and easily leaves car paint glass smooth and shined. 150 grams of PG Wonder Clay can last up to 30 cars' usage.